Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will leave a product review. Okay, she's distracting me right there. Okay, for that Jetta Golf radio that we got. It's one of those guys that you order and it actually comes from China. It's original Volkswagen radio. Okay, let me show you. But actually it comes from China and it might have a few differences here and there. It comes with a code, as you can see, so it should be perfectly functioning radio. The only difference is in the frequency of the FM stations, because they go by tenth. Okay, so they go 93.1, 93.2. Then you know, in the US you have like 93.1, 93.3. So we'll just go ahead, install it now, okay, and we will let you know what we think about it, if it works good as it's advertised, instead of paying so much at the dealer. So let's go ahead and see if it works now. We have a video how to remove it as well on our channel. Alright guys, now let me show you. We're in that 2010 Jetta. We're fixing that thing because it's been wrecked. And we got it and the radio didn't work, so that's why we needed this one. Okay, that plug-in is perfectly fine, antenna is great. Only problem that we have right now that will not be working is the auxiliary output. This one will not work. Okay, that's one of the disadvantages. Okay, and you can see the code is 0147, so let's see if they gave us the right code now. Okay, 0147. We click OK. Okay, and it works. Okay, radio works. Okay, let's see now. Okay, it works great. So that's perfect. Radio works, and let's see, memorize the station. Screen works perfectly fine. It's original radio, but the only problem is you will not be able to use your auxiliary output. You cannot plug in your phone and or MP3 player. So if you want to buy one and that's a concern, we'll definitely not recommend it. But other than that, looks to be working fine, good radio. So hopefully the video was helpful. Let us know what you think. Check out our main channel. It's growing crazy fast. We're approaching quite a few thousand subscribers, almost 14,000. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.